This is problem 2 of 8FA2. We're comparing properties of two functions, each represented a different way. In this case, we're talking about representing this as a table of values and a graph. So Ashley compares the fees charged by two babysitting agencies. The fees are shown below. Agency A, Agency B. See, they've labeled them well for us. Determine which function is described in the table below. Drag and drop them. Okay, we're not going to drag and drop, we're going to write them. The function with the greater y-intercept. Well, let's look and see. On this one, we know our y-intercept is 20. Here, we don't know what our y-intercept is because we don't know what the value is at time 0. Your y-intercept is where it is 8b, or 0b, and we don't have the 0 here. What I could do is try to write the equation. Let's work over here. Let's say agency A, and let's try to write the equation for agency A based on what we have. We know we write a linear equation with y is equal to mx plus b. I don't know what my b is, but I can find my m. M is your change in y over your change in x, your rise over your run. Let's find it here. Our change in y would be 60 minus 36 over 5 minus 3. 60 minus 36 would give me 24 over 2, which gives me 12. My rate is 12. Okay, my rate of change is 12. Y is equal to $12 per hour times the number of hours plus whatever their initial fee is. Well, let's see what it would be. Let's plug in a point to see what our B would be. I've got the point 336. Let's plug it in and see. Here's your X, here's your Y. Y is 36. That would be equal to 12 times your 3 plus B. 36 is equal to 36 plus B. Okay, well, if we subtract the 36 from both sides, we see that our B, our initial value, is 0. So the equation here for this one is Y is equal to 30, excuse me. What is our rate of change? It's 12, okay? It's $12 per hour. Y is equal to 12 times X. Oops, I got the wrong size pen. Y is equal to 12 times X, okay? Now, on this one, there's an initial fee of $20. Let's write the equation for this so we'll know what it is. Y is equal to mx plus b. We know our b is 20. That's where it's starting. So there's an initial fee of $20 just to come out. Let's figure out our rate. Okay, well, here's one that's on the line. I can go up here. We know that our rate of change, our slope, is rise over run. Here I'm rising 30. I'm going up 30, and I'm going over 3. 30 over 3 is 10. Their rate is $10 per hour plus $20 just to come out. Okay, so let's look at this. Which function is with the greater y-intercept? This one's y-intercept 0. This one is 20. So that would be agency B. Which function has the greater rate of change? Well, this is $10 per hour. This is $12 per hour. That would be function A. Okay, which function produces an output value of 204 when the input value is 17? So let's put in 17. Y is equal to 12 times 17. And if we do 12 times 17 on our calculator, we will get 12 times 17 gives me 204. That one right there will do it. Okay, we know that it is agency A. Let's see if agency B, let's see what agency B gets. Y is equal to 10 times 17 plus 20. 10 times 17 is 170 plus 20 gives me 190. Okay, so it's not this one, just the A.